due in 2 weeks, or an ink. Professor Philip,
Professor
I was
Phillips, I
hoping
would
that I
hope
could come
that
and
I
talk with you.
could come and
Oh,
talk with
okay.
you.
Well,
Okay.
I may need
Well,
to ask for an extension on the
extension
lab
of the lab
report that is
report
due in
that
2
is
weeks,
due in
or an
2 weeks, or
incomplete in
an
this class.
incomplete in this
Can I
class.
make an
Can I
appointment
make
for
an
sometime
appointment
this
for
week?
sometime this week?
The thing
The
is,
thing
I'm
is,
kind of booked up this
kind
week.
of
From Wednesday to next
from Wednesday
Monday,
to
I will
next
be in
Monday, I will
Kansas
be
City
in Kansas
attending
City
an annual
attending
meeting of the
an annual
American
meeting of
Biochemical
the
Society.
American Biochemical
Let's
Society.
see,
Let's
tomorrow I
see,
have
tomorrow
classes
I have
until 4 in
classes
the
in the
afternoon.
afternoon.
So after that,
So
it'll be
after that,
okay.
it'll be okay.
But how about this
But how about
afternoon?
this afternoon?
You don't want to wait,
You
do
don't
you?
want to wait, do you?
I have another
I
class
have
from
another
noon.
class for noon.
I'll be in the office
I'll be
after
in
2,
the
though.
office after.
Oh, thank you.
Well, thank you.
So, can I come
Can
by
I
around
come
3?
around 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, another thing is
another
you
thing
might need
is
to
you
talk
might
to
need to
somebody in the
talk to somebody
administration
in
office
the
about the
administration
situation.
office about the
So
situation.
maybe you should come as early as possible.
As early as
Then
possible.
you could have
Then you
time
could
to go
have
to the
time to
offices
go
if
to
you
the
need it.
office.
All right, then I'll be there at 2.
Then I'll be
Thank you
there
for making
too.
time
Thank
for
you
me on
for
such short
making time
notice.
for me
No
on
problem.
such a short
See you
notice.
this
No
afternoon.
problem. See you this afternoon.
Professor Philip, I was hoping that I could come and talk with you.
Oh, okay.
Well, I may need to ask for an extension on...
Good afternoon. Well,
What do you think makes the owl such a good nocturnal hunter? Well, what do you think makes the owl such a good nocturnal hunter?
good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well,
Well,
as
as
we
we
talked
talked
about
about
last
last
Thursday,
Thursday, movement is a major
characteristic
characteristic
of
of
animals.
animals.
This
This
movement is
movement
a
is
result
the
of the
result of
contraction of
contraction of
muscles, and the
muscles and the
skeleton helps
skeleton
transmit that movement.
transmits that
Today,
movement.
I'd
Today,
like to
I'd like to
discuss our
discuss our body's muscle, bones, and
joints
joints in more detail.
As you can see in the illustration in
chapter
chapter 4
in
in
the
the textbook,
under the skin,
human
human
bodies
bodies
are
are covered with a lot of muscles.
Under these
And
muscles,
these muscles, we have bones of many different shapes and sizes. These bones are connected with joints, which are also of several different types. Now, let's start with muscles. We can group muscles into 3 types. Can anyone name these 3 types? Yes? Yes. There are 3 main types of muscle in your body. One is skeletal muscle, and the second type is the smooth muscle, and the third is a special muscle tissue of the heart, called cardiac muscle. Very good, Betty. The first type of muscle is called by another name too. What is it, and why? Anyone? And the skeletal muscle is also called a voluntary muscle. Because it can be consciously controlled. I mean, we can move it when we want to. Excellent. Then how many skeletal muscles in the human body, John?
Let's see.
About
About
300?
But the number can
But
change,
the
though,
number
can't it?
changes,
I
can it?
mean, say by
exercising and stuff.
And with
With that view, you're missing a half of our body. Anyone else? It has about 600 skeletal muscles, I believe. Actually, there are approximately 650 skeletal muscles in the human body, which differ in size and shape according to the job they do. Also, contrary to popular belief, the number of these muscles cannot be increased through exercise. The muscle can get only bigger, not more numerous.
Well,
Well, these skeletal muscles attach either directly to bones or indirectly, that is, via tendons. Okay, however, their movement. George, can you explain how they work? Certainly, they work in opposing pairs. One muscle pair in the pair contracts, while the other relaxes. Yes, that's right. Controlled movement of the limbs indeed requires coordinated relaxation and contraction of opposing muscles. For example, to raise the forearm, the biceps, the two-rounded muscle contracts and shortens, while the triceps, the three-rounded muscle relaxes. And the reverse occurs when the forearm is lowered. This intricate coordination for this body movement, walking, playing tennis, regular, you name it,
And of course, a
And of
whole
course, the
array of our
whole
facial
facial
expressions
expression
too.
too.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Yeah,
you
you
may
may
guess
guess
right
right
now
now
what the
the
other two
other
types
two
of muscles is.
types of muscle is.
Yes?
Yes.
The second and
The
third
second
types
and the
of
third
muscle
type
are
of
both
muscle
called
are both called
involuntary
involuntary because they are not under voluntary control.
What that means
What that
is
means
we
is
can't
we
move
can
them
move
well.
them at will.
Good.
Good.
Smooth
Smooth
muscles,
muscles, the second type,
occur
in the walls
of
or internal body organs and perform actions such as forcing food through the intestines, contracting the womb in childbirth, and pumping blood through the blood vessels. Cardiac muscle can't be voluntary either. Okay? Then let's move on to bones and joints. Bones. They form the body's heart, skull, and skeletal framework. Does anyone know what bones are chiefly composed of? Yes.
Well,
Bones are composed chiefly of calcium and phosphorus and a fiber substance known as collagen. Excellent. And bones meet at joints. And these joints are also in several different types. Can someone name any example of them? The hip is a ball socket joint that allows the femur or the thigh bone a wide range of movement. Finger joints, on the other hand, are simple hinge joints that are only bending straight but not
That would be
rotating.
weird if they did, though. Anyway, these are some examples.
Precisely. As you can see in the diagram on page 178, joints are held in place
by bands of tissues called ligaments. Joints are held in.
These are some examples. In straightening, but finger joints, on the other hand, are simple hinge or thigh bone, a wide range of movement. Finger joints, on the other hand, are simple hinge joints that allow only bending and straightening, but not rotating. That would be weird if they did, though. Anyway, these are some examples.
Precisely. As you can see in the diagram on page 178, joints are held in place by bands of tissues called ligaments.
Movement of joints is facilitated by the small hyaline or glass-like cartilage
that covers the bone ends
and by the special membrane that lines or lubricates the joint. I'm quite pleased that you prepared very for the class. Here at it, we've covered the material quite thoroughly. If you don't have questions, that's all for today. Okay?
I'll see you
I'll
all
see
again
you
Thursday.
again Thursday.
Don't forget
Don't
the reading
forget the reading
assignment
assignment
for
for
next
next class, everyone.